Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not ringing on WhatsApp call. So guys, when you receive any WhatsApp call in your iPhone and facing the issue that ringtone not appear on your iPhone, so guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, open your WhatsApp in your iPhone, and guys after opening your WhatsApp you need to open your settings here. And guys after this you need to click on notifications tab, and guys you need to click on reset notifications settings. And guys after doing reset, then guys all the sounds problem and notification problems will be fixed on your WhatsApp. And guys the second method is you need to check your iPhone settings as well. So guys you need to open your iPhone settings, and guys after opening your settings you need to click on notifications tab as you can see. And guys after this here you need to find WhatsApp. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys from here you need to make sure that allowed notifications is turned on. So guys if off, then you need to on it, and guys after doing this you need to turn on three or all of these. You need to check these lock screen, notification center and banners. And guys after this you need to turn on this sound tab as well. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys third step is you need to open sound and haptics here. And guys you need to increase all the volume here, and guys after increasing your volume you need to click on ringtone. And guys make sure that any ringtone has been selected here. And guys after doing these settings your problem will be fixed. So guys after doing these settings, if still not fix your problem, then guys maybe this problem is in your iOS version. So guys simply you need to open your settings here, click on general, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.